Hello friends, I'm here with question number 14. Download the variable file. This is the URL given. This will be given in your exam. So you will have to use that URL to download the user underscore list .yml file. It could be any different name. So I have just put here, for example, and write a playbook named user.yml and then run the playbook on all the nodes using two variable files user underscore list dot yml and wall dot yml. I have shown you in the previous question lock dot yml. I have just created this file already, so I just gave the different name. It could be different in your exam scenario as well. It's just for example, okay? So once you are done with this user underscore list, you will be given a URL, and you will have to use wget command like this. On the command line you will write wget and put that URL, okay, to download user underscore y underscore list dot yml or any name which you will be given. You will use that and put here download it, and then you can open this file and you will see the values there, I mean key pair values. Then accordingly you will have to use that uh, file in your playbook, okay? So I have already written this playbook and I'm going to show you. But in our case, because we do not have this file, so just to practice, I have created this file myself. I'm going to show you how you can create this file in your practice, so then you can use the same in your playbook, right? So let's go to our machine and I'm going to show you, and then I'll show you the playbook. Let me clear it, and first I'm gonna show you user underscore list dot yml. So this is the variable name I have given my user. So in the exam you will only use which will be given there, okay? So in your practice you can use any name. So I have given my users, then I have put uh, value like I want to give name. This is name David, is job is role is developer, password underscore expire underscore days 10. uh, Whatever days they'll ask you in the exam, you will put those days, okay? So name Nancy, job manager, password underscore expire underscore days equal to 10. And third is, so three user I'm creating with password and their job role. So this is how you will create this file at home. But in remember, in the exam you will have to wget this file to get these values, okay? So save it. In my case it's already saved. So this is how you will create this file. Then I'm going to show you the playbook, uh, that is user.yml, because in the question you can see that, okay? So other things, part one, create a group, ops dev, create user from user variable whose job is equal to developer and need to be in ops dev group. Then assign a password using SHA-512 format. This is encryption format, okay? Algorithm, you have to use the same to encrypt the password, and you have to put this in your playbook on dev and test group. So user password is this one you have to use. Remember, we have already created vault.yml, and we already put this variable password underscore developer. We have to fetch that value through this playbook. So same, create another group, ops mgr, create user from user variable whose job is equal to manager and need to be in group. Assign a password, again the same algorithm you have to use, SHA-512 format, and run playbook on test group. And user password is, in this case, is pw under manager, and it will again fetch the value from vault.yml, right? So when use when condition, I'm going to show you in the playbook what does it mean. So let's go to machine, and I'm going to open this file. So here you can write, hyphen name, create user, developer, host. Then you can put, first play on these hosts. You have to run where's underscore file. This is the keyword you will use to fetch the files variable, right? So you have to put the full path here. Our vault.yml is under slash home slash student slash ansible 4. I have, this is a directory. Actually, this playbook I have created in another directory. So I have just given ansible 4 to this working directory name. Okay, so I have created this playbook in Ansible directory. Also, I will show you that this is a different way, but I use this way because this was a bit easier and giving me the right result. It was not giving me any error, but other one was sometime giving error and it was a bit difficult. So I can show you that, but I did this way, right? So slash home slash student slash Ansible 4 and slash user underscore list dot yml tasks, then name, create OPS dev group because you are going to create group OPS dev and then state present. So first you have to create this group, and then second task is add user who have job role developer. So user, this is the module name, and in case of group, module name is group. So then you will give these parameters like name, and you have to fetch those from that, remember, user dot underscore list dot yml from here. So you will have to put this keyword, and then you will put this name value. Remember, name value we have to fetch from this file, so we'll have to put name. Then groups mean, I mean, you are creating secondary group in this case. So in that case, you remember, you will have to use groups s. You don't forget to put s. This is how you will create secondary group, because when you create a user, you know that there is automatically a primary group created by the same name, but you have been asked to put in another group, so that will be your secondary group. So in that case, you will have to put groups. So state is present, and then password, because you have been asked to give the password using this algorithm 5 SHA 512. So this is the variable name which you will fetch from vault.yml. So you have to put this pw under developer, and then this pipe and password underscore hash, and then in the braces single quote you have to put this algorithm value SHA. This is the format, and then close it. Okay, so double quotation marks and double curly brackets both side, and then password underscore expire underscore max. You have to put this value, and if you forget, you can use Ansible underscore doc, and then you can get from there, right? So then you have to put the same value. It could be different, but you, because you are given this same value in your user underscore list, so you are putting the same val is key. So it's a key there, right? So like name, you use name key, and here this key you use. So you will have to put the same key which you have already put here, or you will see there vault.yml. So this is the key, and then this is the actually parameter which will bring this value uh, through a loop, right? So then you will put loop, and in loop you will put the variable name which you already have seen there, right? It could be different your exam scenario. So whatever you see in the file, when you get that file, you will use the same. Okay, while writing playbook, don't forget it. This is just for your practice, and put here the same. And then this is the when condition, when item dot job equal developer. I mean, this is the condition you are giving here, right? So this is how you will write the first part, and then you have been asked to do the second part same way, but here you only have to run this playbook on test group. So everything will be same, just you have to make little changes here, like host name you will put test, and then var files again you will give the same paths, and then tasks and then you will create a, ops mgr group. So this is your group, and again you will create user, and you will put groups ops mgr. This is your secondary group, that is why you are going to put this parameter here. Then state is present, again password value, you will again put this syntax. Okay, you will have to practice a lot so that you do not feel any problem while creating this playbook in your real-time exam scenario. So again the same value, and then again same parameter and same key value you have to put here. And again this is the variable which is already given in your user underscore list, but in our case this is this, but in the exam case whatever you see there you will have to put that variable. Okay, and then again in this case when condition, when job role is manager, earlier on it was developer. Okay, so this is how you will write this playbook, then save it. In my case it's already saved. And then what you will do, yeah, just look at here, you will put this command ansible underscore navigator, then space run, then this file name, playbook file name users.yml space hyphen m std out. Then you have to put this, because you have saved your password in this secret.txt. Then you will have to write hyphen hyphen vault hyphen password hyphen file equal to secret.txt. It will fetch from there. So once you are done this, I have already run this playbook, but I just want to show you. This is just a warning, just ignore it. Okay, so everything is being created, and once you are done with this, you can just check this hack command to see if user groups are created. And look here, ops dev, these are the username. Okay, so we are good with this, David and all those. Okay, and if you check, no, ops mgr, Nancy, all this. Okay, so if you separately check test, you can check this way. Look here, everything is good. So this is how you have to solve this question, guys, and I hope it will help you. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon so that you could get notification about the new stuff. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye guys.